Welcome to my Mercedes E320 CDI Sport Estate. This car is elegant, poised, powerful and has an aura. Its 3-litre V6 diesel has power aplenty for whatever situation you might find yourself in. The car is comfortable, it's smooth, it's reliable, it's luxurious. There are so many places that Mercedes have designed for you to keep things in here or there, under the seats, in the dash, between the seats. It really is well thought, well designed and well built. This is a car that I will miss when it is gone. It's practical. It has a large cabinet boot space that also can turn into an extra 2 rear-facing seats if needed. Roof rails, sun blinds. This car really does have it all. The Mercedes E320 CDI Sport Estate is a practical car for any family for all their needs.